Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because it is about my favorite subject in the world, designer handbags and accessories. Yay! Today's video is going to be basically like a little designer haul plus a little bit of tips about buying and selling handbags and also about Rebag's trade program in case you guys haven't heard of it. So I'm so excited to be working with Rebag on this video. It is a literal dream come true partnership because I've been buying and selling from Rebag for years on years now. So I'm really excited to basically like explain to you guys the trade program and why it's amazing and why I know you guys are gonna love it. First of all, as you guys may or may not know, I am such a big advocate for reselling your handbags and buying something new with that money if you aren't really wearing it. You know, I don't really like to just like collect tons of things in my closet. Obviously certain things I keep forever, but I'm very much the type of person, if I kind of stop wearing it, then I want to sell it and give it a new home and give it a new life and then buy something new because I feel like we all love to have new things in our closet. First are some of my tips for buying and selling bags just in general. I always say that my number one tip is to sell something like the second that you stop wearing it. If it's been like maybe 2 months, 3 months, and you literally haven't reached for it at all, and it was an expensive designer handbag, you should definitely look into maybe trading it in for something else because you will probably get the most bang for your buck if you bought it pretty recently. So I try to sell my bags when they're still pretty popular so that I'm getting as close as possible to what I paid for them. Obviously there's a lot of bags that are super classic and never go out of style, but some of the more trendy bags, I think it's really useful to just kind of like move on and trade it in for something new while it's still kind of hot, you know? Before I get into showing you which goodies I picked out, I'm gonna kind of run you guys through what the trade program is and like the benefits and why you need to know about it. So basically, if you're like me and you constantly buy and sell bags all the time, much more seamless process that gives you a little bit more money. So let me explain. So if you can kind of do this all in one seamless transaction. You can upload using their technology. They'll give you a quote for the bag that you're trying to sell, and then all in one transaction you can pick out a different bag. You're also going to get 25% more money if you do the trade and do it all in one transaction. So I feel like let me just demo so that it all makes more sense. So I'm going on my Rebag app and then I'm gonna just go to sell. I've been kind of thinking about selling my BV Jody. I haven't decided yet. I honestly haven't really been wearing it and I feel like this is still such a cute bag. So I feel like I want to give it a new home. So let's do the BV Jody. We're doing a handbag. I'm gonna take a photo of my BV Jody. The Claire technology is identifying the bag. Select size. Color is black. And then condition. So this will kind of give you guidance. Select excellent. And it gives you kind of examples of the guidelines. Then we're gonna reveal my Claire offer. So if I am doing a trade right away and I'm picking something else out that's like around $1,300, or if I want to pick out something more expensive, then I can just hit start a trade and pick something else out. But if I were to just ask for my check and wait for a check, it would only be $970 because you're getting 25% more when you do a trade all in one transaction. So as you can see, I can trade in the Hermes for, you know, the BV Jody, and then I would hit checkout, etc. So it's so easy to use and it saves you 25% because you're getting 25% more and you don't have to deal with like waiting, you don't have to deal with consigning your bag, waiting around for it to sell, trying to trade in and then waiting for the check to come in from that bag and then buying a new bag. Like you can just do it all at once, nice and seamlessly and easy. Like how genius is this? Now for the fun part of showing you guys some of the things I found on Rebag. Bag number one is the LV Croissant bag. This is the smallest size, the PM size. I'm in love with this bag. I would say out of everything, this is what I've been wearing the most lately. It just goes with everything, and it's like such a cool, cute, vintage vibe. It's a great price, great size in my opinion for how much stuff I carry, and it's in great condition. Such a good purchase. I'm like in love with this. This super unique Christian Dior Saddle bag. I mean, how cool is this? I wore this when I was in New York. CD, my initials. I mean, it's just really, really cool. I haven't honestly seen this saddle bag that often, so if you're on the hunt for something unique, you can really dig through Rebag and you will find something excellent. I also picked this cute Prada sparkly bag. So this is a great example of a bag that is fairly new. This is like a bag that is pretty hard to find and is in stores still right now. And I found this on Rebag. So you can trade something in and get this beauty. How sick is this bag? We love the sparkles. I found this really cool Chanel bucket bag. It holds so much stuff. You can kind of wear it like on the shoulder, or you can wear it like this. Obviously the search bar is your friend. Just type in Chanel vintage bag and you will definitely find something. If you're looking for something like a really cool, unique Chanel bag that's maybe a little bit more affordable than a brand new Chanel bag. Rebag also recently launched accessories, which we love. They have a ton of jewelry, sunglasses, scarves, belts, watches, all the things. How much I love the Bvlgari watch. Like, this watch is so cool. Let me show you how it looks on. If you want to trade in a lot of things in your closet and get yourself a nice watch, they also have really cool watches on there. How nice is this? This stunning classic Chanel belt. I feel like this is one of those things that you would have in your closet forever and ever and ever. Never go wrong with a cute black belt. Maybe not with this outfit, but, and last but not least, this is probably my favorite find out of everything. Do you die? The coolest, prettiest piece I've ever seen in my life. I feel like I need it to just like stare at every day as decoration. It's so freaking cute. It's a weekender bag. I feel like it would be great for traveling. Put your passport and stuff like in this front pocket. Maybe you could use it as a gym bag. I don't know if I'm like that extra. I don't really bring anything for the gym, but I feel like you could definitely find a lot of uses for this. Message me if you guys have any questions about the trade program. I think you guys will really like it, find it super useful. And that is all. I hope you guys like this video. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and that is it for now. Peace.